Welcome back to Pivot Towards Freedom Business Channel. Today we're going to cover how do you find an affiliate program. So, you've decided to try affiliate marketing. There are two main approaches to this. You can sign up as an affiliate for a brand or a company, or you could become an affiliate for the largest sales platform, Amazon. Let's cover affiliates for brands or companies first. The short story is, you sign up on the brand's affiliate site, you receive a unique affiliate link, you use organic or paid traffic to advertise the brand, the customer then clicks on your link, the customer makes a purchase, and once the purchase goes through, you get paid a commission by the brand. First things first, finding a brand. You should promote products you use and trust. Customers are smart. They will know if you are promoting snake oil or something that you actually believe in. If you're promoting a product, you should be a customer of the product. If you're promoting educational content or a service, you should be a product of the product or use the service you are promoting. For the next steps, I will share my screen so you can follow along. So here we are at Google. The easiest way to find anything, of course, is look for it in Google. So type your brand and affiliate, and in the words affiliate program, for example, let's go for Nike. You see I've searched for it before, so Nike affiliate program. Just look for it and you see something like, oh, what is the Nike affiliate program? You see first result is in the European Union, but there's other things here. You'll also notice that sometimes Nike is also in a affiliate network. There's various affiliate networks because basically a lot of these big companies or a lot of brands in general, what they do is they sign up for these networks and let the networks do the administrative back-end stuff for them. So whether you go directly to Nike, if they have a direct program, or you go to one of the affiliate programs, it's basically the same thing. You also see Awin is also a affiliate network, and CJ Associates is also another one that I'm part of that we'll look at later. So let's go ahead and look at it. You see here that Awin, that gives you a little information about Nike. You can sign up and join the program. That means you're going to actually be a member of Awin, and then you will from there find affiliates that you can, or find brands that you can be an affiliate for. You also notice that Nike UK is what's coming up here, probably because I'm in Europe. That's what they're offering me first, but you could search for other things too. Gives you somewhat of a summary here. And that's what that looks like. Just to show you what it looks like when you're actually part of a affiliate network. I happen to be in CJCom, and let's see, let me go ahead and log in. Now, when you actually become when you log into this network, it's about 8 steps. So a lot of information you have to give them as far as bank accounts and stuff like that, because hey, they didn't know where to send the checks. But we saw that Nike was in Awin, but you will also look for Nike here in CJ Affiliates. We'll search for advertisers. Now here you can actually search for the advertiser itself or keywords. Let's say you want to go into a branch, but so you see advertisers here over keywords advertisers. Just for the heck of it, we'll go with Nike. See, oh, Nike already has a number here already, and we want to search for it. Oh, you see a Nike apparel. You see there's some contact information here. They give you also the site for Nike.com. Currency they deal in is US dollars. The service area in this case is United States. So if you, for whatever reason, you want to be affiliated in a different country, you might have to search a little bit further. And you see something up here, the 3-month EPC. EPC is earnings per click. That's not quite true, because not every click leads to a purchase, but they count the clicks and how much is purchased, and it averages out. So basically, if you're part of this program and somebody clicks on your affiliate link, you will earn an average of $40 US. Now you see the 7-day ESP is a little higher, so I guess there's been a sale or whatever. Yeah, it says sell 1%. And you also can see where the conversion rates are going. You see here almost 90% is the United States, And there are several other countries that also have clicked on links and ordered stuff through affiliates. Okay. Now, let's say that you didn't know exactly which brand you wanted to go into, but you know what area you want to, because let's say you have a blog about photography. Well, if you have a blog about photography, it would make sense that you become an affiliate for photography. Graph PHY photography. There we go. Since we don't have Nike doesn't have a photography program. Let's go to keywords. Let's get rid of Nike. There we go. Search keywords. And we're going to search the keyword photography. And it's going to load. We see there's several things here. We've got Acne Studios with his clothing and apparel. What this has to do with photography, I don't know, but Canvas people, that sounds like something with photography. Canvas discounts, deposit photos, Epson, yeah. Photo finish, you see CZ, that's Czech Republic, if I remember correctly. And there's a few other things. Let's just go Olympus Consumer. Well, I know Olympus makes cameras. Maybe we want to. Maybe I even use Olympus cameras. Let's go check that out. And you see here that you've got the name, the contact. He seems to be a distributor. No, Digital Solutions. Okay. Category: consumer electronics. Program terms. It's very important that you read the program terms because there's some things that you need to remember. This will tell you things about what percentage you're getting paid, tell you if there's any clawbacks. Clawbacks, for example, is if somebody purchases something and if there's like a 14-day or 30-day guarantee, money-back guarantee, that means they have to hold on to that sale for 14 or 30 days because it's possible the consumer says, no, I don't like what I want. Here's your merchandise back. And of course, that's why they claw back the money. So, and you see here that there's certain things here as far as referral periods, 15 days, 3% commission, a few other things here. But you, like I said, you definitely need to read the program terms, okay? And you see also here that earnings per click is $23, $30, no, let's say $25, $26. And the 7-day ratio here right now is coming in at 38.49. Okay. Now, you can also look for other types of things. Like, for example, some companies have a direct program, even if they're in a affiliate network. For example, I happen to know this. I use this product. Let's do it this way. The Aweber is a email marketing solution. You could call it. You may also hear people refer to it as an autoresponder because you can set up a lot of things so mails go out automatically according to certain triggers. So Aweber affiliate program commissions. Okay, I know program terms. Let's go with commissions first. Oh, you get 30%. Well, Aweber, you get 30%, which is pretty good, but that's also a subscription service. That means every month, month after month, as long as anybody you refer to over there stays with Aweber, you're getting 30% of what they're paying per month or per year for their subscription to use Aweber. You also see here, comes up Aweber e-marketing mail system. So it's very easy to actually find brands that have affiliate programs, and you'd be surprised, like I said in an earlier blog, about 80% of all brands and companies have affiliate programs. So just about anything that you use has an 80% chance of being in a network or offering their own affiliate program. But there we go. It gives you some information. And actually, Aweber's program is pretty good. They give you a lot of tools to help you as far as advertising for Aweber. And the important thing is, like I said earlier, you get a unique link that whenever somebody clicks on that link and actually buys, you get credit for it. Okay, and you can go through all the different Aweber services. And just to show you that a lot of people that have their own affiliate program are also in different networks. You see Aweber's coming up already with an affiliate number here. Okay, oh yeah, gotta get rid of photography here. And search again. And you see Aweber email marketing. And you see that just like for Nike, they tell you what kind of, see earnings per 3-month earnings per click is only $1. That means a lot of people that click on Aweber don't necessarily purchase. But like I said, if you get somebody to sign up, you get 30% of their subscription every month. If you have a large list or a lot of people that you can refer to them, that adds up to a lot of money over time. And you see they're in the United States, they pay out in US dollars, they service the entire world. You can see here, if you went through this whole list, you'd see just about every country listed. Description, and it says earn $25 to $300 per sale. That's because you can pay at Aweber on a monthly, quarterly, or yearly subscription. Depends upon what the guy signs up for. Like I said, program terms, you can find out a little bit more information here. You see here they also go performance incentives. If you happen to do certain things often, or just like any type of sales program, if you're a good performer, you get paid more. And that shows you some of the things on how to find an affiliate program that you can go to, okay? But it's important that whether you go directly to an affiliate or I'm sorry, you go to directly to an affiliate program where they are doing their own stuff, or you go into a network, it's important that you read the terms of service, program terms, and all kinds of other stuff, because that will tell you how you're getting paid, what you can and can't do. For example, sometimes you can't necessarily use trademarks in your advertising. You can advertise for them, but you can't use their trademark. And what a lot of people also do is they will build links that looks like they're actually part of Nike or part of Aweber. That's, for most people, also not allowed. So whatever you do, make sure you read terms and conditions, because it will determine whether you stay in the program, because if you violate the terms and conditions, you can get kicked out. Now, it is a bit of work finding the right brand for you to promote. From the example shown, you could earn anywhere from 7 to 70%. There are even programs that give you 100% on the first sale, and as the customers move up the sales funnel, the higher ticket items pay lower commissions. Although you may own a lower percentage on the high ticket items, would you rather get 100% on a $30 item or 30% on a $1,000 item? As return customers move through the sales funnel, purchasing higher ticket items, you earn more money. That's how the system works. So, also do not forget subscription services. Although the commissions are lower, they give monthly returns. So you are earning from the same lead month after month as long as the subscription runs. Aweber is a good example of this. I use Aweber for my autoresponder, and I use it regularly to send out content. If you're on my emailing list, you know this already. So, before we go, remember, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when new content comes out. And after that, hopefully I've given you an insight into how you can find an affiliate program and a brand you can promote to your tribe. Until next week, keep learning, keep improving, and never forget, no matter who you are, you have value that you can give to somebody else. And remember, don't forget the subscribe button.